Best beginner mountain bikes. Review. The best fat tire bike. Mongoose Dolomite. Fat tire, men's mountain bike, steel frame, 7-speed, 26-inch wheels. Are you searching for a bike that's been made specifically for men, that allows you to ride comfortably and smoothly in all riding conditions? If so, your search could be over. The Mongoose fat tire bike comes with a ton of fantastic riding features and provides you with an extremely versatile bike. Whether you're riding in snow, sand, or rain, the Dolomite gives you everything you need to enjoy every ride you venture on. It is also incredibly affordable and budget-friendly bike too. What we like. Incredibly affordable. There are 7 gears available to use. The steel frame has proven to be very durable. Great geometry is suitable even for overweight men. Super thick tires can ensure you to ride smoothly across all surfaces. Impressive weight capacity. Even big people can enjoy riding this bike. You can rely on dual disc brakes regardless of the weather conditions. What we don't like. A bit heavy for some riders. Only one size, and maybe not the best for taller guys. The best hardtail bike. Diamondback bicycles. Hook 27.5. Hardtail mountain bike. Are you looking after a mountain bike that's made for beginners? After extensively researching the Diamondback Hook mountain bike, we find out it to be an excellent choice for beginners who are looking for an entry-level mountain bike. It is packed full of incredible riding features that enhance the experience of mountain biking. All of these parts come together to provide you with an outstanding bike that's available under $1,000. What we like. This bike is available at a very affordable price. Comes 85% assembled from the manufacturer. The geometry of this bike is incredibly comfortable. You can rely on the brakes to bring you to an immediate halt. A lightweight and sturdy frame allows you to ride fast and safely. Suspension system absorbs nearly all shocks to reduce riding fatigue. 8 gears to give you plenty of options to easily ride on various terrains. High traction wheels to help you safely ride on tricky terrain. What we don't like. Only one color. No place to store water bottles. The best full suspension model. Schwinn Protocol 1.0. Dual suspension mountain bike with aluminum frame and 26-inch wheels. If you're new to mountain biking, the dual suspension system on this bike will help you tackle challenging routes, such as downhill riding and rough terrain. Those who are on a tighter budget, but after a high-end bike, will be surprised by how many incredible riding features this bike has to offer. The Protocol 1.0 is a very versatile bike. So, if you want to explore a wide range of places, this bike will help you do that with maximum enjoyment. What we like. Affordable price. Awesome design. Comfortable geometry. Extremely durable frame. 24 gears available for riding on all terrains. Sturdy tires and rims for stability while riding. Reliable brakes that work well in all conditions. The effective suspension system for smooth riding. What we don't like. Lack of disc brake in the rear part. No water bottle holder available. The best for teens. Huffy Summit Ridge. Hardtail mountain bike, 24 to 26 inches, 21 speed, lightweight, dark blue. With the look, the specs and the comfort, the Huffy Summit Ridge is ready to deliver the outdoor action you crave. The striking look, in denim blue gloss, the 21 speeds, the front suspension, all these add up to one hardtail, ready for action. Backed by the limited lifetime. The heat and steel hardtail frame provides solid performance and efficiently transfers your pedal power for strong acceleration on straight surfaces and uphill climbs. What we like. This is an eminently affordable option for a lot of folks. The front-end suspension system helps dampen the shocks when riding over bumps, and the bike takes the bumps instead of your shoulders. Front and rear steel linear pull handbrakes provide consistent, dependable stopping action on demand. The Huffy gives you a variety of shifting options with 21 speed gear. 21 speed gear allows an easier uphill riding and smooth downhill riding. Includes an easy-to-follow assembly video. What we don't like. As this bike is on the smaller end, it may not work for adult consumers. The best, overall value. Merax, 26 inches, mountain bike with suspension fork, 24-speed, disc brake, and lightweight aluminum frame. Merax 26 mountain bike is a lightweight option, ideal for riding on tough terrains. Merax is a brand name in the industry, and you can be sure of getting a quality mountain bike. A heat-treated aluminum frame. Large diameter, 26 inches, double-wall aluminum wheels, allowing easier rolling over holes. The Shimano 21-speed derailleur and shifters, for reliable shifting. Both the front and rear mechanical disc brakes. And the 80mm suspension fork help provide a smooth ride on bumps, while giving you increased control over your bike. You will not go wrong trying this bike out. What we like. Lightweight and sturdy aluminum frame delivers a solid performance. Dual disc brakes give you a ton of control, regardless of the conditions. Shimano 24-speed shifters allow you safely ride in a various of conditions. Designed to accommodate users up to 330 pounds. This is a very competitively priced, entry-level mountain bike. What we don't like. A potential drawback of the Merax could be the design. It features some futuristic-looking lines that may not be everyone's cup of tea, or ahem, style of trail mix.